Hey everyone, Les here from BG Trading. Today's Monday, October 2nd, 2023. Long weekend, but as long as the market's open, we are here working, doing what we love doing. So, today's analysis will be about core lithium. I decided to do this isolated from other lithium stocks. The ASX code is CXO, and the reason I'm doing that is because we pay a lot of respect for this company. This particular stock has been incredibly profitable for us in 2021 and 2022, and we even made two profitable trades in 2023. But then, ever since our last trade, the stock has fallen on what we call stop loss, a key element of our strategy, trading strategy. We decided to step out from the lithium sector and just watch this particular stock from far. But last week, the company has reported its full year result for financial year 2023, and that has came very positive with net profit after tax of $10.8 million. So that caught my attention again, and this is the reason we're putting the video together for you. I'm also going to compare Finis project, which is the company's flagship project, with other peers such as Sayona Mining, LIONTOWN Limited. So you have a little bit idea of where core lithium is sitting in terms of ore reserves and size of the project, sort of speaking. So hope that is valuable for you and hope that helps you to make better decisions in your trades. Let's have a look. Just want to remind, this is not financial advice, just as from BG Trading, sharing with you how we apply our strategies to know when to buy and when to sell with stocks, how we set up targets, stop losses, and much more together with our VIP members to change 20 to 40% within 1 to 3 month lead time in our trades. I'm also like to invite you right now to become a member of our free Facebook community. We call that Buy, Grow, and Sell Strategy for Share Traders. I'm leaving the details at the description below. It's free, just need to answer 3 questions. And obviously, subscribe the channel and share this video with someone that you believe would be interested in this particular strategy. Core lithium has been incredibly profitable for us in 2021 and 2022. This has been our best trade in core lithium over the last 3 years, 71% in January 22. This is real results from my bank account, my trading account. For a real trade. We have many other results for core lithium right in this community. You can search that. They're all print screen from the account. So accumulated in the last 3 years, we managed to make over $110,000 with core lithium alone, just by trading core lithium. Obviously, the last 6 months hasn't been very good for any EV stocks, and our last trade we lost about 9% on a core lithium, falling our stop loss, so $7.5 thousand loss. But then we have trades in August 2022, which we made about 25% or $17,000, then 71%, $49,000 in that particular trade. And then in November 2022, we made 36% of $32,000 in core lithium. January 2023, which is this year, even though it was not a best year, we still managed to make 22%. And in May this year, we made 34%. So about 11,500 to 11,800 in each of the trades. This year, we start reducing the money allocated for particular trades in this particular stock. In the last 2 years, we put a lot of money. Some trades was holding more than $100,000 in that particular stock. Why I'm saying that is because I can prove to you that if you time the market correctly, you can make a lot of money. So, but you need a strategy. It's all about having this strategy. And that's why, once again, I wanted to offer it right here in the channel. access to our online trading course, trading mastery and up trading. You can choose any of those. If you want to go a little bit more in depth with the fundamentals, understanding a little bit more the fundamentals of the company, the key fundamental metrics, go with trading mastery. If you just want to go through the technical aspect using BGS20 strategy, just go with up trading. It's up to you really. But the risk always going to happen in the market. The thing is that you are the only warranty that you have on the trades. The guarantee is on you. It's not on the market. It's not in any stock tips. It's not any social media post. It's on you to have a strategy, to learn it and to follow correctly. Now let's go to what we are here for, which is I have put together for our VIP members this updated stock analysis based on FY23, and I'm just going to go straight into comparing core lithium. Just to put in perspective here, comparing Finnish project with other companies such as Sayona Mining North America Lithium project. Sayona Mining project has ore reserves of 58, just being upgraded to 58.3 million metric tons at 1.28% lithium oxide, whereas core lithium sits kind of on the bottom of this whole comparative list here with only 30.6 million metric tons at 1.31% lithium oxide. Obviously, they are working, currently working, Core Lithium is currently working on a BP22 underground project, which underground mine, which is about 5 kilometers from Finnish project, which holds about 10 million metric tons of lithium oxide at 1.48%, which is a better quality spodumene concentrate. So this is critical to understand if you're going to invest for the long term, to understand the size in comparison to other companies out there. Even LIONTOWN Resources has a slightly larger project, at a Colin project, with ore reserves of 45 million metric tons at 1.32% lithium oxide. So you can see the difference right there. And then the first one is the biggest one is the LIONTOWN Resources, which explains the reason why a lot of companies are trying to take over LIONTOWN. Colin Valley, 156 million metric tons at 1.4% lithium oxide. And also there's another project that currently holds 15 million metric tons at 1% lithium oxide. So all those projects shows how small core lithium is in comparison to other projects. So obviously in 2021 and 2022, which we made all those trades, most of the lithium stocks we could make money anyway, but now really got to stick with companies that has a good growth prospect as well, but also making money. So at the moment, core lithium has reported in FY23 a $10.8 million a profit, net profit after tax. This is positive, but the question is, okay, how much more that will increase in the next few financial years? And also the question is whether the company will be able to keep drilling and exploring surrounded areas for to increase its ore reserves into potentially, but hopefully even to double or more. If that happens, then that's where further value will come from this particular company. And as the company expands its drilling projects, then it will cost more money. But in the same way, from the shareholder perspective, if the company does not raise capital again, doesn't use shareholder funds to do further drilling, but actually use just the profits from this from the operation, then we probably will be looking at a lot of positive announcements on the pipeline, but we should not have another capital raising. That's the key for sustainability of the share price moving forwards in an uptrend. And then obviously the risk at the moment is also with the lithium prices, if lithium prices continue to go down, then there's not much we can do. Probably most of the stocks will go down as well, and Coalition could have this short seller squeeze at the moment that we've been seeing, but we could have another short selling activity increasing within the upcoming weeks if lithium prices continue to go down. We have seen that, as you can see here, use trading economics, you can see what's happening with lithium prices at the moment, and then I also look into every single index. Unfortunately, I haven't got updated information from October yet, what's happening with lithium contracts, but as you can see, it has been falling on a daily basis since late July. So that's the big problem with lithium prices at the moment. But according to this particular crash on across all the indexes, we could well see a potential bounce, not sure if a sustainable bounce to similar levels that we saw last year, probably not, but we might going to see a bounce, and at least having lithium prices at the plateau around this sort of mark here, right here at the 30,000. So at the moment, core lithium for us is the only reason that we're looking at is because the company has become profitable, and if you've been following us in the last few months, we've been talking about lithium stocks that we are only interested on the stocks, that companies that are profitable, especially in this very aggressive rush market with not so favorable macroeconomics for growth stocks. So once the company became profitable, then obviously we got to start looking at this bullish stock with a different eyes. If I change from Hekenach to what we were doing in 2021 and 2022, but not expecting to have same and then only same degree of share price swings, and obviously we're not going to put the same amount of money. We're just going to keep smaller and tighter trades with this particular stock. So if you can look into the share price, this is a weekly chart. We can see a what technical analysts, if you mind. You can see there's a bullish engulfment here. Technical indicator is 100% reliable, but that normally suggests that we're going to see a potential reversal on the share price. And then if you look into the Hekenach as well on a weekly chart, you can see that since May actually, and also we had those green candles there, but they failed. So this could be, if you see another week with a green candle, then that's could definitely well show a sustainable reversal. And all we need is something like this to make a very effective and profitable trade if we are on a weekly chart only. So take a look at this. I'm going to measure just to have a look at pretty much what we could if lithium prices bounce back. So we had this bounce here in April, May, 65%. We probably could see something similar happen right here, or even more from the bottom. If you look at the price for the long term, and now put the stock just under 60 cents once again. So 80% dramatically bounce, which brings to close to let you make the decision. So obviously our VP members know exactly what we're doing. Stocks trading at technically discounted price. So I'm not going to tell you whether you should buy or not. I'm just going to stop losses. Target is happening with this particular stock. Go back to full disclosure, we are currently holding. You can see there is definitely an increase of buying activity, and we believe that will days, especially after the release of the full year report. Chart formation still shows that the stock is still trading The target could be anywhere between 50 to 60 cents. So you got to really see what is the daily stock price activity to ensure that you are safe, and obviously having a stop loss all the time. The truth is the stock's still into a downtrend. We could see another leg down, who knows. Okay, but if you are a believer of fundamentals, if you like fundamentals as we do, normally here at BG Trading we take 50% of our decision based on fundamentals, 50% based on a technical. So we know that fundamentals now playing a big positive role for this particular stock, and we could see a further short squeeze, if you know what I mean, into the upcoming days or upcoming weeks in this particular stock. So I hope that was valuable. Let us know what you think